What's up, everybody? It's your boy Damo Flips. You already know where I am from the location. I'm with Leroy at his shop. And what we have here today is a 2006 Volvo XC90. This is the big V8 all-wheel drive model. And the reason why we're even making this video is because there's no information on how to do a transmission service on this thing. So let me get up to where Leroy's at and we'll get to it right now. For those of you guys that are looking for where your transmission fill plug is in a Volvo V8, it is going to be underneath this box, which has the ECU and the air filter. It all has to be removed, and then you'll find it down there. If you continue to watch the video, you'll definitely get more footage of it. You see it. FYI, if you're planning on doing this, you will need a certain tool. It's a 17mm transmission drain for the bottom to get that. Is it AutoZone or Advanced that we use? I believe Advanced does have it, so you could always buy it, or rent it from them. AutoZone also has it, so you're going to need that. So before you even get started, make sure you can get it. You can probably get it from Amazon as well. And then, what's up front for that? That was a Torx up front, right? Yeah. When we get to that, you don't know the number yet, right, of the Torx? No. So we're expecting it to be underneath the air cleaner, but we're going to find out. This is a stupid design. Stupid. So let's see. In this general area right here, Leroy, talk them through. What was here?
It's pretty much the airbox is here.
The airbox is here, so we have it over here now? All right, so check this out. Guys, you want to be super careful. Leroy has the ECU on top of it. This is basically the computer. I apologize, guys. It's Florida. You're going to hear that fan. This is basically the computer to your car. Not basically, this is the computer to your car. They put it on top of the airbox, which is normally right here. This is going to go here and wrap around into this general area. Leroy, did we...
right out.
And so what is this over here?
This is the ECU plug.
These are the plugs? Where are the plugs? Okay, so here's the plugs. Well, there's one. I don't see the other one. It's a two plug system, no?
Yeah.
Oh, here's
right here.
There it is. There's the other one. This is going to be for your mass airflow?
Yep.
All right. So everything's in there. And okay, and now you have a cover. Can you flip it over for me, brother? So you have this black cover over here, and that protects. I mean, I don't know how much protection that's going to do. It's plastic. Protects this. Did you find the fill in here yet?
Looks like it'd be right here.
Okay, so let me see if I could zoom in. That is going to be the fill. So I'm going to zoom out for you guys. That's it. Leroy, this weird looking thing over here, that's the shift cable that when you put it in drive and such, that's what moves it. Let me, he's coming back right now, but let me ask him right now. Right here, that accordion looking thing. So this is the shifting cable, guys. So if you ever ran into a problem where your shifter's not engaging, check this. This sometimes comes off, okay? But let's figure out what size Torx this is. Let me get out of Danny Leroy's way. You guys don't call him Danny. No, you call him Danny.
T55.
What is it?
T55.
T55, ladies and gentlemen, T55. This is going to be to get into that drain. Guys, I can tell you right now, Leroy probably hates when I'm around because bro, it's cooler outside of the fan. Leroy probably hates when I'm around because I do get in his way quite a bit. There's so many videos that we've actually done here and never actually put them out. And I don't even know that this one will ever get out. But again, we were how many? The charger alone. Yeah. The charger alone, we took so many videos. But while we're here, guys, let's take a look at some other cars. So Leroy's always got stuff going on. Actually, here, let me get back over here right quick. So he's got the T55 on there right now. He's got his extension on there, and hopefully he's gonna, well, here's gonna be the problem that you're gonna run into. You see, he uses subpar tools. Now, if that was a Milwaukee, it would have probably just came out on its own, quite frankly. But you know, it is what it is. Let me see. Do you have any Milwaukee over here? Let's see. Well, this is. And guys, just to be clear, the reason why cars take so long getting out of here is because he doesn't have Milwaukee tools. Had he had the proper tools to do the jobs, this would be no problem. I mean, look, he's got a broom hanging up there. This way, when his old lady comes in, she could switch out cars. So anyway, you got it out, brother?
It's out.
It's out, but it looks in to me. But it's out.
I just stuck it back in there so dirt don't get in there, but you know.
So
there you go.
That's
There's
basically what you're looking at. So
got a little O-ring on there.
You know, little O-ring. He's you know, Leroy, he's good with that. So what we're gonna do now is I guess, what do you want to do, Danny? You wanna take a ride and do all the fluid shit?
I guess
make sure they got it.
And go get fluid and
so
see what happens.
We're gonna take a ride to the parts store right quick. We're gonna get the fluid. Of course, we needed fluid. We forgot. How do you do a transmission service and forget the fluid?
Well, we wasn't planning on doing a transmission service.
Well, that's true. We weren't. What were we doing? Why didn't we?
We was going to LKQ.
We were going to pick parts, and then this thing started to shift kind of funny, so we decided to do that. Any which way, guys. Once we get back, we'll catch up with you. All right, Mr. Leroy. So take me back through what just happened when I was out there BS and not putting in work. So I know you took the center of this out, right?
Yep.
What'd you use to do that? Where is that? In here?
Yeah, it's just a little Allen here.
So if they did not have the tool to remove this, they can simply do that? Or well, I did notice that more transmission fluid came out when you undid this.
Yes.
And then the tool that they had originally given us was incorrect. So you ended up using what exactly to get this busted loose?
This ain't the right size, but I used a pretty much an Allen.
All right.
That is 3/4.
A 3/4.
Yeah.
And even though that was not correct, it was in fact able to take this off.
Actually, it says 5/8.
5/8?
5/8. Should be a 17 millimeter though.
Well, hold on, don't move. There you go. 5/8, everybody. And it should be a 17 millimeter, but improvise. Yeah, so I could definitely see that. Oh, you know what, bro?
That is the drain. That's how you check to see how much is in it. So it was full.
All right. We can see that is not clean by no means. It's got a little smell to it. So what was it that you originally took out of there? The centerpiece, what was that?
This piece here. It's got a little tube that goes up. So pretty much whenever you put this in, you have the vehicle running, you pour the fluid in it, it should start pouring out the bottom when it's running, and that should mean that it's full.
Okay. And you took, so that was the big one.
Yep.
And then the center of that comes out, and you're saying that the center is in actuality, if you started to back it out and it started to drip out and you put it back in, that means that it's full.
Correct.
So with the amount of fluid you just seen come out of here and what came out earlier, do you think that this thing was in fact full, or?
I think it was full.
All right. So
I checked it, I pulled it out when it was running.
So chance
it just poured out.
So chances are this will not fix the issue that we're having with it. But it's worth a shot.
The fluid is black as can be. So.
Yeah, that's true. All right, guys, we're gonna, I guess,
just put it back in.
Put it back in now. So here, what you're gonna notice is he's gonna hand tighten it initially. Some hair around it. There we go. And again, when you're doing something like that, the key here is not to over tighten and break the housing. So you'll notice that's why he like tapped on it. Now that is the center screw that I was talking about. And that's just an Allen key.
Yeah.
So at this point now, it's filled up.
No, it's
I'm
not.
sorry, it's sealed. So we can move forward. And hey man, you got some brake clean?
Yeah.
I could do that.
I know you can.
So at this point now, you're good. You can fill it up. We're gonna take some brake clean and clean up the bottom. This is my favorite part of any job right here. I love using the shit out of this shit. Look at that. Cleaner than the day it rolled off the Volvo the Volvo assembly line. All because of brake clean. All right, let's lower this thing down and we'll start filling up for you guys. Man, let me tell you something. Leroy makes this shit look so simple. So he put everything back together in under 5 minutes, filled it up the whole 9 yards. And that's it. He's just gonna take it for a quick spin and see what we have. Actually, I think he's gonna check it. He's gonna let the fluid run through it first and then check it. But yeah, so this is when you're looking at it right away, this is what you're gonna see. And you can already see the car's moving, so it's engaging in gear immediately. What you're gonna notice is this is where you wanna look at. So it's on the driver's side by the headlight. That's gonna be exactly where your fill plug is. I'm probably gonna start with that in this video.